Do you want to know how you can add audiobooks to your Spotify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add Spotify audiobooks on your profile. So go ahead and open Spotify on your browser or your PC if you are using your PC. Now go to the search bar and you can see the audiobook over here, or else you can just go ahead and search for audiobooks, and you can see some of the top audiobooks over here. So you can go ahead and tap on it. You can see this audiobook. If you click on add to liked songs, it will be added, or you can just go ahead and click on add to playlist, create a new playlist for yourself. Go to new playlist. So what you need to do is go to this name and type in audiobooks and click save. Now this has been your audiobook playlist. Now let's go ahead and start to add the audiobooks. So if you search for audiobooks over here, you can see this playlist over here as well. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see the audiobooks. If you click on add to episodes over here, it will be added to this section of your episodes, or else if you want to add it to a specific playlist as you created over here, just go to the settings over here, click on add playlist and go to audiobooks. This is the playlist which you must create, and if you go back to audiobooks, it will be over here. Now you can also add it to audiobooks, so just go ahead and go to audiobooks and you can delete this as well. So if you want to remove it from your episodes, you can do this and the audiobooks will be removed. So you should do this because it will help you understand the amount of audiobooks you have listened to. So you can add it to your profile and you can delete it from your episodes option as well. So guys, this is how you add audiobooks to Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.